So if you want to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, then this video is for you. Looking here on the screen is my Messenger app. So in order for you to recover your deleted messages on your Messenger app, this is what you can simply do. So let's say you click on this message like this, and maybe probably click on archive, and the message got deleted from this page. In order for you to actually get that back, you can simply go to the menu icon at the bottom of your screen. If you click on that, you are going to see this option here which says archive. So if you click on that, you can go ahead and find that message. So looking right here, you just need to find that chat. Looking here is the chat, so you just need to go ahead and tap the chat like this and click on archive. So once you do that, going back here on your chats section like this, you're going to be able to see that the chat has appeared here once again. But let's say this is not the case, you did not actually archive the chat, but you deleted it mistakenly. Maybe you clicked on it like this and click on the delete button at the bottom of the screen. So let's say that is what you actually do. This is what you can actually do in order to recover it back. So in order for you to recover it back, if that is the case, click on the menu icon at the bottom of the screen like this. So right here, you need to go ahead and click on settings. So when you do that, you need to go ahead and scroll gently like this and click on see more in account center. So if you click on that, you're going to see this option of your information and permission. So right here, you just need to scroll and click on export your information. So you need to go ahead and click on that like this. So when you click on that, look in here, you can see the option of create export. So you need to go ahead and click on create export like this and select your Facebook profile. Then look in here, you can see export to device, export to external service. Go ahead and click on export to device. So when you do that, look in here, you can see date range. So you need to go ahead and click on that. Now, if this message was deleted last week, you can go ahead and select last week, and you'd be able to recover that message since it is a message that was deleted last week. If it is a message that you deleted last month, 3 months ago, 6 months ago, or you can't even remember when you deleted it, you can go ahead and click on all time like this. Now, all time might actually take a long time. Now, clicking on all time might actually take a longer time to export. So you need to go ahead and click on save like this. Once you do this, you need to scroll down gently like this and click on start export. You can see that right here at the bottom of the screen. So once you click on that, you need to go ahead and input your Facebook password and click on continue. It says requested. Now you've actually requested to download your information. You just need to wait for some time, and you're going to receive a notification on your Messenger app telling you that your information is now ready. And then coming back right here, you can now click on it and download it to your device and check if you are going to see that deleted message that you are looking for. So this is how simple it is to recover your deleted messages on Messenger. Now, I hope you found this video helpful. Like this video, subscribe and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one. It's still your boy Daniel.